I am Rosalie Reeves. I'm a freelance actor from Sydney, Australia, and I'm reading for Margarita Darling in Truly Gone Fishing. Good morning, sweetie muffin. Oh, I woke up this morning feeling like I'd been hit by a high ace. And that didn't feel nice. Are you cooking? I didn't know you could cook. Well, you're 30, you should be able to cook. I guess you inherited your mother's beautiful good looks as well as her superb culinary skills. I can cook. I just don't cook. Sweetheart, I don't cook because I don't eat. Oh, Pong, what is that smell? Ah! Mushrooms? You know I'm allergic to mushrooms. We're not allergic. Taste allergic. Yes, sweetheart, taste allergy. It's a thing. Google it on your phone box. Anyway, sweetheart, I appreciate the gesture. But I've already had my vitamins for this morning. And I've got spin class in 30. I want to see how ridiculous Trisha looks this morning.